I'm Joseph Rutaya, the District Inspector of Schools, Masaka District Local Government. We are here at the training of the science teachers and their teachers on the using of the equipment, science equipment that were delivered to our district headquarters, which are yet to reach the schools very soon these days, so that they can use them well. We are very much grateful to the government of Uganda for having sent us, looked at what science means to people, and thought of sending the equipment, science equipment, for the proper and easy teaching of science. Indeed, there are a number of items, equipment in the science kit that were sent to the district. We received 20 items, 20 kits, going to 20 schools. And these schools were selected on merit, and we found that those schools have all turned up today, this day, to be trained. We have received 100% of the schools we invited, the 20 schools from Masaka district. Indeed, the River Flow, in partnership with the Ministry of Education, have designed the equipment which are very, very useful in the teaching. We used to study during our days. We used to study science in abstract, and has been the trend all these years. But now we are seeing very many equipment that are going to be very useful, where the learners will enjoy touching, feeling, and experimenting on their own, having got these materials. Indeed, we are very grateful.